So as we discuss about the barter system, what is mean by barter system, what are the limitations of the barter system, and we know the limitation of the barter systems gives the existence to the money. Uh, Drawbacks of the barter systems started the monetary system, and the selling and purchasing will start with that. But because it is a differ in the payment, already I told you that double coincidence happens sometimes. So, and the storing value is not there. So that is why now the money is the thing that is have a good qualities, and because of those qualities, it is easy to operate the money. So first of all, we will discuss about the definition of the money. The money is an item that is generally acceptable in the exchange of goods and services. Means money will accepted by anyone and easily it will be exchanged, or we can purchase or sell anything with the help of money. Either anything means goods or services, whatever is there. Economics defined as it is sometimes that serves a medium of exchange, a unit of accounting, and store of value. Uh, whatever the limitations of the barter system, money have those qualities. So that is the thing. That is why the money is acceptable. Everyone will accept it, and it will be exchanged. It will be different payment. It will be medium. It will be easily to count. It will be easily to store. So that is why money is good. Now we can discuss about the qualities of money. First is general acceptability. General acceptability, good money is the one which is readily accepted by all without any reluctant. The quality is possessed by gold and silver. Now, next is durability. Durability, it should possess the quality of a durability. That is, it should be long lasting. We have that thing, as currency coins are made up of metal. These are more durable compared to the currency note, but the currency notes are also very stable. We can take them long time. Next is portability. Portability means the things that are there, it will become in a very short. So easy to carry from one place to another, or without any difficulty, or we are not taking, so we are not doing any expenses for storing or for taking them with us. So that is why it is portability is there. Now divisibility. Divisibility means the thing, we can divide the money in different ways. So it is easy for us to be take the money to divide or to be give to the money to the different peoples. Now the stability. Stability means whatever the money is given by the government, whatever the issue is by the currency, it should be stable for a long time, and we can take those things with us for a long time. For example, money, coins, you can say that. So nowadays you will see that coins are for a long time, and the money, whatever the issue by the government, it should take a time, or it should be long value. So this is said that anything which is used as money should be stable in the sense that their value should not be changed frequently. Again and again, the value will not change. Next is homogeneous or identical. Homogeneous, what is meant by homogeneous? Homogeneous means the thing that is same in shape and size. So here the money is the same denomination, should be homogeneous in size and quality. For example, all the 5 rupees coin to be the same size and in the color. So these, and identical means the person, those who know about the money, anyone can recognize the money as they want. So that is why it is, you can say, identical. The person, those who are not literate, they also know which type of money. This is 5 rupees coin, this is 10 rupees coin. Even the blind person, you have seen in the many things, many videos, that the blind person was able to just, they touch the money and then they know about it, whether it is a 10 rupees note or 50 rupees note or 100 rupees note. So you can say it is an identical. So now we are discussing about the types of money. First is cash, currency, and legal tender. Legal tender means legal tender money is that money which is backed by law and issued by the monetary authorities. Who is the monetary authority in India? Who is issuing the money? RBI. So RBI issuing the money, and that is the legal, whatever the money issued by the RBI, that is called the legal tender, or that is legal, that is why. It cannot be refused by anybody. Limited legal tender money is that money which is expected as a legal tender, but only up to the certain limited amount. In India, the maximum of 1000 coins be used for the payment legally. For the coins they are talking about. And cash and currency, currency means any country which are using their money as a legal tender, or they're using it as a selling or purchasing, that is called the currency. And cash, the money that is in the liquid form, it is also called the liquidity. The cash money is called the liquidity. So the cash money, so all these things are the same, means the money that is issued by the legal authority for any country. Different countries have a different. For example, in the American Federal is there, who was just issuing the currency. In India, RBI is issuing the currency. So they are monetary authorities. So whatever the monetary authorities is issuing, that is called the legal tender. You know that nowadays you will see that people are not taking the 1 rupee note, 2 rupees note, but that is illegal, because from the side of the RBI, these are the legal currency. And if anyone says that we are not taking these type of money, so we are not taking the 1 rupee note and 2 rupee note from you, so we can take the legal action against them. But the thing is that in the daily routine, we are just avoiding that thing. So that is why it happens. The people are not taking the money. Next is money in the current account or the bank money. Money means current account or bank money means the person, those who have a money, but they are stored it in the bank. Or whenever they require, they will take the money from there. So it is also count as a cash they have. Means when the person, anyone want to estimate his or her value, what they are doing, they are just counting the money, whatever they have in the house, whatever they have the property, whatever they value of the property, not the property, but the value of the property, and whatever they have deposited in the bank. So we will count to that thing also. So that is it. Next is near money. Near money refers to those assets which may not be perfect medium of exchange but are highly liquid. Those assets that can be easily converted into the cash. For example, bank deposits, bill of exchange, equity shares, etc. These highly liquid assets are referred to as a near money, because they are exchanging from the medium of bank. So bank will change them easily, and whenever you require the money, if you don't have a cash, so you will just do this thing, that you will give the bill of exchange, and according to that you will take the money. Next is money substitute. Not possible to take the substitute of a money, but the thing is that nowadays we are using different type of shares or bonds or FDs. That is called the money substitute. In comparison to, it is not in the hand of a cash, but you have a money. E-cash, whatever the amount is deposited in your bank, that is as a e-cash you can use whenever you require. You can exchange the money from one place to another with the help of NEFT. That is in the DigiCash also. And then whenever you require, you can take the amount from the debit card with credit card also, or you can take the amount ATM also. So this is the type of money that we are using. Sometimes we are saying it a plastic money. Plastic money means credit card, debit card, ATM nowadays. Now we are going to the next topic, that is function of money. According to the Professor Kinley, functions of money is divided into three parts: primary functions, secondary functions, and contingent functions. So in your syllabus nowadays, primary function and secondary function is there. But I will explain you contingent function also, because of that you will easily understood what is the function of the primary and the secondary. So that is why. So first of all, we will discuss about the primary function. Primary function is have two qualities. One is medium of exchange and the measure of the value. Medium of exchange, money act as a medium of exchange, as it is facilitates the exchange through the common medium and facilities facility exchange through a common medium, facility exchange through a common currency also. The current unit of value means money serves as a common medium or unit of value. Money has provided a common hard yardstick to measure different units. So that is why it is used. Money is measuring the value means that the money works in a common denomination, which is the value of goods and services to be expressed. Next is we will discuss about the secondary function of the money. What are the secondary functions of the money? We will discuss about that. The secondary function of the money. This means holding wealth in the form of money for the future transaction and investment purpose. Thus, money links present and future through its function. Promotes a saving, investment, increasing production, gets expanded due to the increase in the investments. So this is called the function of secondary money. Secondary function of the money is have a standard of a first point is a standard of a deferred payment. So the payment can be easily made through the medium of money. In other words, the medium of money. In other, you can say like that difficult to pay back a loan in the term of goods and services. However, with the advent of the money, the payment of loan or interest can be made easily. Store of value, already I explained you, the store of value function of money implies that money can be easily stored in the form of a wealth that can be stored use of medium of exchange for the future. Next is transfer of value. Money can be transferred easily from one place to another in the form of one person to another. Therefore, with the help of money, purchasing power can be transferred, or by the other things, for example, NEFT and like that. So these are the main functions of the secondary function of the money. Now we can discuss about the contingent function of the money. Contingent functions of the monies are the first is facilitates the credit. Money facilitates the function of credit instruments such as a check, promissory notes, bill of exchange, such as credit instrument facility and transfer from value one place to another. Then facilitates the distribution of income. Factor payment can be made easily in the form of monetary remuneration, such as wages, rent, interest, and profit. Maximize the consumers and the producer's satisfaction. Since all the goods and services are valued in the term of money, it is possible for a consumer to maximize his or her satisfaction by the equalizing marginal utilities of the various goods consumed. Similarly, all the factors of the productions are valued. Monetary terms constantly becomes possible for the producer to maximize the production by equalizing marginal productivity of the different factors of the production. And the main function of the that is liquidity. Money is the most liquid of all assets and wealth in the gold, silver, land, checks, etc. So are not the liquid as the money. Money means money is more liquid by all that. If needed arises, these assets have to be converted into money. But on the other hand, money need not to be converted into the any form. Directly we can use it directly. Anyone can accept it. So it is called the acceptability, liquidity. So in the next video, we are discussing about some more points.